Hi friends! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and delicious. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a cute cookie. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your black marker and let's begin. Let's start by drawing a big circle, but make it extra special by adding 2 bumpy bites on the left side. This makes it look like someone has already enjoyed a bite. Now, draw little triangle-shaped chocolates all over the cookie. Add as many as you like, because who doesn't love chocolate chips? Next, we'll give our cookie some personality. Draw 2 big, round eyes with tiny circles inside them for the shine. Then, add a happy smiley mouth with a tiny tongue sticking out. Isn't that adorable? Let's make it even cuter by drawing 2 heart shapes near the top left. These hearts make our cookie look extra lovable. Now, let's go over the outlines with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look at that! Our cookie looks like it's dancing with joy.
Yay!
Now it's time to add some color. Let's use these colors and make our cookie look amazing. Let's color the hearts with pink color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Use chocolate color for the triangle chocolate chips. Now color the cookie with a nice light brown color. Wow! Look at that! You've made such a cute and yummy looking cookie. Great job, friends! Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.